Bonjour et bienvenue. Learn French with AT Khoj. AT Khoj, c'est moi. So today we are going to learn indefinite article. Articles are made to specify the noun, and the articles are of two types: definite article and indefinite article. So definite already remember le, la, l apostrophe, le. That we already did, and now we have to do the indefinite article. Indefinite article is in English a or an. For example, like we use a pen, a ball, an action. Generally, there is a rule in English: when you find any vowel sound before the vowel sound, we have to put n, not a, right? So, but in French, you are not going to find the same rule. Here, the rules are a bit different. But though I would suggest it's easy to get command over. So here we go to have indefinite article. Find these indefinite articles on the screen. Here we go. I'm going to speak these articles. I'm going to sound these articles, and what you have to do, répétez après moi. En, une, deux. En, une, deux. Okay? En, une, deux. And if you remember, I told you that there are only two kinds of gender, either masculine or feminine, right? So here we are going to take masculine one, okay? And for masculine noun, do you remember any masculine noun? Remember stilo, le stilo, the pen. So if you like to say a pen, so how would it be? Un stilo, un stilo, un stilo. Good. And any other example? Do you remember? Bag. What was that in French? Sac. S-A-C. Right? So, if you like to say a bag. So, how would it be in French? Un sac. Un sac. Good. Bravo. And do you remember any other example? Yes. Chocolat. Chocolate. That's my favorite. So, if you like to say a chocolate, so what it would be? Un chocolat. Un chocolat. Good. So here we did indefinite article with singular, masculine, singular. Okay. So masculine, singular is done. And now I think you're getting some examples of feminine now, right? Tomato. Yeah. So if you like to say a tomato, so how you would say in French? Une tomate. Une tomate. Okay. Another example. Got it? Car. So what to say? I have a car. A car. So a car is une voiture. A car is une voiture. Okay. Take one more example. Guess one more example. What was that? Actually I feel very tired. I am very tired. So I need what? A chair. Une chaise. What I need? Une chaise. Une chaise. A chair. Une chaise. Okay. And any other example clicking to your mind? Table, la table. So how you would say a table? Une table. Une table. Good. So here we did the feminine one. Okay. Now, thank God, we do not have that L apostrophe. We won't have to take that example. But yes, we will have to take the plural one. Did you remember that the plural one? Tables, chairs. Remember? Yes. So there we have to put the. But here that won't mean a. Indefinite article, a. But here the means some. That would mean some. See, if I would say the table, so some tables. The stilo, the stilo means some pen. The voiture, some cars. Photos, some photos. So would be the photos, the photos, the photo. Okay, got it? So I think here we took enough examples, because that we already did. Only we were to define, we were to learn indefinite article, and I hope that you have learned it well, because the way you were responding me, I was happy, because you were responding me very positively, and it was seeming that you took my definite article, you studied the definite article well, and their example as well. So do you know what we are going to do? I'm going to repeat those articles, and what do you have to do? Repeat it after me. En, une, deux. Good. Speak it a little bit fast. En, une, deux. En, une, deux. En, une, deux. Good. Bravo. So, as we have practiced the indefinite articles, at the last, I'm going to show you the list. Find out which one is missing. Une. Good. Next. The. Great. Well, it was easy. I was just doing it like in 3 options. It's very easy to recognize, and you were doing that. So, well, so here we have learned the articles, which were very important, because without the article you cannot actually able to specify the noun, whether they were definite or indefinite, because articles are very important in any language, whether it's English or French. I would say, if you like to be very good in French, that will not be possible without mastering an article. Okay, so that's my personal advice, and these articles are very important in French. Okay, so definite article and definite article, both the articles are very important. Learn it well, remember it, and keep practicing. Au revoir.